Hello and welcome back to Vistas Learning. My name is Sanjay and we are here for session number 11 and this is level 1 of English communication. Are you still thinking about the question that we left unanswered in session number 10? Is tea singular or plural? To help us understand that, let's move to a concept called countable and uncountable nouns. They sound simple. Countable, uncountable. The ones that we can count, the ones that we cannot count. Let's take a look at a few examples and understand what the difference between countable and uncountable nouns is. Are you ready? Count with me. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are those that can be counted. How many fingers do I have in one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. I can count. You remember the story that we had earlier? Tina playing in the garden has 5 chairs, 2 gardeners, 1 table, 1 cat. All of these are nouns that can be counted with the use of numbers. The next is countable nouns can either be singular or plural. Is book a countable noun? Yes, because you remember we had seen 1 book and we had seen 2 books, both of which are countable. But book is singular and books are plural. Hence, countable nouns can either be singular or be plural. We usually use one, a, or an for singular nouns. Before singular nouns, we either use one, a, or an. Do you remember? A cat, 1 table, or a table. Hence, for singular, we use these. For plural, we use the number. You remember? 2 books, 5 chairs, 2 gardeners, or some, a lot of. These are the things that we use for plural. These are the words. We say 5 books, 5 chairs, 11 sessions, a lot of trees. Do you remember? A lot of trees. These are used for the plural form of countable nouns. Some examples: cat, woman, pen, shop, idea. You can count cat, either 1 cat or 2 cats or more. Woman, it's 1 woman, 3 women, like we had discussed earlier. Pen, just 1 pen and many pens. Shop and shops. I have an idea, 1 idea, or 5 ideas. Hence, these are all examples of countable nouns. Let's look at some singular countable noun examples. 1 cat, a girl, an idea. 1 cat, it is just 1. A countable and singular. A girl, countable and singular. An idea, countable again and singular. The plural form, 2 books. How many of you remember the example? 2 books and A lot of trees. These are countable but plural. Countable but plural. Let's look at these examples to understand better. This is one cat. Just one cat that we see here. Hence, we say one cat. And this is the countable noun in the singular form. That's a girl. Again, a countable noun in the singular form. Looks like a familiar image. Two books. Like we had seen, we have two books. Countable and plural. A lot of trees. Maybe this is the garden that Tina has. Well, even if not, these are a lot of trees. Countable and plural. Countable nouns, in short, are nouns that can be counted with numbers. They can either be singular or plural, like a girl or a lot of trees, one cat or two books, or many books. Up next, we have uncountable nouns. As the name suggests, or as it sounds simple, uncountable nouns are those things, nouns that cannot be counted with numbers. Those nouns that we cannot count with numbers are uncountable nouns. These are only singular. Uncountable nouns are only singular. Hence, they usually do not have a plural form. Uncountable nouns usually do not have a plural form. Example: tea. Can you count tea? We can count cups of tea or glasses of tea, but we can't count tea. Hence, tea is an uncountable noun. Now, is tea singular or plural? Uncountable nouns are only singular and usually do not have a plural form. Hence, tea, rice, money, information, all of these are uncountable nouns, hence in the singular form. We use some, little, few before these nouns. We say, can I have a little tea? Give me some money. There is very little information available. Let's take a look to understand them better. That's tea. Maybe the tea that Tina was drinking. While it is one cup of tea, one cup being a countable noun, a singular noun, but tea, when we refer to just tea, it is an uncountable noun in the singular form. Hence, it is tea. Rice. It's difficult for us to count rice with numbers. We say, give me little rice, give me some rice, give me a lot of rice, but we can't count. We never ask, give me one rice. Yes, we say, give me one bowl of rice or one spoon of rice. We never say, give me one rice or two rice. Hence, a rice is uncountable. Also, knowledge. All of you have a lot of knowledge. There is no picture because we cannot see knowledge. Hence, uncountable nouns are also for those nouns that we cannot see or touch, but they exist, like knowledge and information. These are all uncountable nouns. In short, uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted with numbers. They are only singular and do not have a plural form. Remember, the tea that you drink is an uncountable noun. Did you count the number of pictures that we had? Yes, we had 6 pictures, a countable noun. But how much information did I share with all of you? A lot of information or little information? An uncountable noun. Thank you for attending session number 11. I will see you in session number 12.